Hey everybody, it's TheDollBoy, and today I have not one, but two Disney reroots for you guys. Since I uploaded my Extreme Rapunzel reroot, I've gotten a lot of requests to create a short-haired Rapunzel as well. And since my Tangled The Series Cassandra doll came in a 2-pack with another Rapunzel, I had two Rapunzel dolls. So I decided to reroot both of them, and have one in really long yellow hair that I got from Custom Doll Hair, and the other one in the short brown hair she has in the beginning of the series. To start the makeover, I cut Rapunzel's hair into this bob, before cutting it as short as possible. Then I dip the head in boiling water to remove the head from the body and remove the hair from the inside. The first reroot I did was the short brown one. To make sure that her scalp matches the new hair color, I use some acrylic paint to make the scalp brown as well. After that, I reroot the hair like I normally do. If you need a more detailed look on how I reroot my doll's hair, you can check out that tutorial linked in the video description. When all the hair is rooted, I glue the hair in place using my Fabri-Tac glue and spread it out evenly using a Q-tip. I leave the head to dry overnight before I attach it back to the body. I boil wash the hair and start cutting the hair into the bob I want it to be in. To make sure I don't regret the haircut, I do this in several stages, keeping the hair pretty long at first. Then I move on to my second reroot using the super long hair from Custom Doll Hair. Because of the extreme length of this hair, it is harder to work with, so I make sure to twist the hair out of the way once I finish a part, to make sure the hair doesn't get tangled up as easily. I got this beautiful 52-inch hair from the Etsy page of Custom Doll Hair, and I'm super impressed with the quality of it. For the entire reroot, I used around 160 grams of hair. Just like in my other reroots, I use Fabri-Tac glue to secure the hair from the inside and let it dry overnight. Then I secure the head back on the body and boil wash the hair. And then, after a good time of hair brushing, you're done! I really hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know which of these two Rapunzel reroots is your favorite. And if you want to see more pictures of my dolls, follow me on Instagram as well, @TheDollBoy. See you next time!